My name is Zubair Jamil, and I've been employing my IT technical skills in IT industry for 10 plus years. I hold several certifications. I hold Microsoft certification including MCSE and MCP, and I also hold Citrix certification CCA. I'm a very old student of NetSoft, and I am with NetSoft since NetSoft's beginning. I have taken many trainings from NetSoft. If I would count, there will be about 15 plus trainings. This is what I have been taking. NetSoft quality of training is a very high and a very professional training. They put extra efforts on all of their students. NetSoft is definitely different from other IT institutes. They provide you exceptional services and extra attention, as well as they provide you some unique trainings including Hire Me and other resume preparation and interview training. So definitely they are different from other institutes. Trainers in NetSoft are different than other institute trainers. They put you, they provide you extra time. They are very friendly. They are very cooperative. They give you extra time on your education, extra efforts they do on their students. NetSoft trainings are very professional trainings. They are very professional training. They involve lots of labs, lots of hands-on experience to their students, as well as they do provide a very good theory descriptions to their courses. These are some extra efforts NetSoft puts on their student. Our trainers had provided us a very challenging task to look the potential inside us by giving us lots of assignment or by giving us multiple assignment. So the trainer knows about us, what is our potential and what is our high and low. There are lots of pros in joining NetSoft. Like, you can fulfill your dreams, you can have a dream job, you can have a dream life, your financials will get better, you will have a very good peaceful environmental job. Also, there are tons of advantages, like lots of good monies you will be making after joining NetSoft. The cons are, I would say, there are just maybe you will be putting extra hours, you will be doing some extra efforts with NetSoft. These will be just a few things. Other than that, everything you would find very good. Well, I have heard lots of NetSoft success stories, about more than 50 plus, and I got to know lots of NetSoft students, about 100 plus. I don't remember the stories, but I can say I'm the one who knows most of the stories from NetSoft students. I have been spending good amount of time on my education, about 40 to 50 hours a week. Just on my education, included both NetSoft and home assignments. It's about 40 to 50 hours. NetSoft provides you exceptional resume and interview preparation services. Hire Me is a part of the course which is especially made for resume and interview preparation. Also, you get group discussions to get yourself prepared for your interview, and you get your colleague help for your interview preparation as well. Other than my technical education from NetSoft, I did learn lots of other stuff from NetSoft, which I'm proud, including networking with other peoples, my communication skills, and those kind of things. My favorite training is a Citrix training, which I really like it. It was a little different than my other trainings, and I would like to update Citrix training again. I would recommend NetSoft for better future, better job, and not only learning IT skills, you will get to learn extra skills, including networking, including communication, your soft skills. So NetSoft is a place where you can learn lots of stuff. I would highly recommend to join NetSoft. The message for the people who are looking to join NetSoft is so simple. Please do not wait and join.